Alright, I'm sitting in my truck. I wanted to show you something. You can kind of put it in the category, is the guy just lucky, or does he have some kind of methodology that is repeatable? So I'm going to show you 3 trades. Let me open up my trade station here. Okay, let me show you 3 trades I've made starting last night. I'm trading the top 2 up there. Okay, so let's look at this one, the top one, the 𝑦𝑚. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Alright, you see that red dot? So starting last night, my little process gives me high probability. That's the key, my process. I call it my trading template. What tells me, what indicates to me where those high probabilities are to get in. That's what every trader simply wants to know. Where should I get in? Where should I get out? Should I get in to play the market going up, or should I get in to play the market going down? Okay, that's it. Always, those are the only questions. So over here, you'll see I entered the trade to play it. Even though this market's going up, my process gave me that high probability this move is potentially over, meaning I want to play it going down. So I entered a short trade right at my crosshairs, that red dot printed on there. It moved a little further up and down. I'm losing a little money, and then you see it drifted down, and at the blue dot right here is where I closed it out. The blue dot printed on there after I closed the trade. They're just markers, okay? So I received some money there, all right, on that one. Then, this is last night. I think I went over to another one. I'm not sure. Let me verify. I also did this other one. Sorry, it's moving around. I entered to go short right here where my crosshairs are. It did its thing up and down. So you'll notice I'm losing some money, I'm making some money. That's normal in trading. And then I close it down here at the blue dot, received money on that. So I think it was $1,700 between those 2 trades. They were actually small trades, and you'll notice I didn't have many contracts. I had 3 contracts there, okay? So I did that. Now I'm going to sleep. I'm done, all right? Now I'm going to go back to the other one. Then, so I entered here. I closed it down here at this blue dot. Now I go to sleep. I then get up this morning, and my process, high probability, goes short. I did right here at this red dot, almost a perfect entry. It zips on down, and I close the trade a little early right here at this blue dot. I forget what I received, $900, $1,000, something like that. All right, and I think maybe I did another one, I'm not sure. No, I didn't, okay? Let me go back there. So I did that trade. I think that was $1,600 also. So I had about $3,200. That's trade 2, or trade 3, I should say. Okay, then I'm done. And look, I have no more trades doing this one on this contract right now. All right, no more dots are on there. But I did go to this other one, the second one down. I entered this morning. My process is high probability. I entered down here, right at the blue dot, almost perfect entry, close enough for me. And it's moving up, like up to here. And look up at the top left where it says long 2. I only have 2 contracts, and I'm receiving $28.30 if I close this unit right now. So I can go over to my positions tab. $28.30, you see that? That's what I'm receiving on that trade. And now we'll go to my balance tab. And there's the trades I closed. One of them was $1,600. The other group last night was $1,600 or so, a little more. That came up with the realized $3,500 that I locked into the bank. And then took this trade and now receiving $28.90. So all those trades, just wonderful, perfect, receiving over $5,000, maybe that's $6,000, something like that, if you add those 2 together. already today, all from my mobile phone. I'm not having to worry about what the world's doing out there, who's trying to put some kind of, whatever regulation on me, how I got to live or anything like that, what I've got to do. I get to go in because I've learned how to trade correctly, digitally, right from my phone. I can do this from wherever I am around the world. This is the way I would encourage you that you want to learn how to generate money like that. Money is such a big deal, such a big area of our lives. Not that we're wanting to be money-hungry crazies. It's just that you want an adequate amount of income to live comfortably, and equally as important, when the day comes where you can't have a traditional job, either because of your age, your health, or whatever reasons, okay, and now your income dries up. If you could learn how to trade, this is just off the charts what it can do for you, okay? My income has gone up virtually every year for the last, 20 years, we'll say, okay? Simply because I learned how to trade a long time ago. So if it's not me, find somebody that you're comfortable with. Let them show you the ropes, how to get in, what to do, how to interpret it correctly. Because really, there's two outcomes. You know that. You're either going to be happy, generating, receiving some money, or you're going to be unhappy because you're losing your money. And how do you avoid that bad side? Is you learn how to do it first before you ever trade with real money, okay? So that's just another trade I want to show you. 3-4 trades right in a row. Doesn't always work that way where I'm knocking out 3, 4, 5, 10 trades in a row. They're all winning trades. I'm not saying that. What I am indicating, though, is that, look, consistently, day after day, week after week, in my case, year after year, because I've learned those two vital questions. And what are they? You know what they are. Where's that optimum spot to get in? Where's a good optimum spot to disengage the trade? Master that, and look, you can start generating money in a totally different way to set yourself up to really be that free person you want to be. Okay? All right, hope this helps. It's a Monday morning. I'm getting ready to go visit my daughter, who's a realtor, and she's got some property for me to look at. Okay, well, thank you. I'm here to help you. Let's get on a phone call. Doesn't cost you anything to get on a phone call, and I'll be glad to address any questions you might have. Okay? Thank you.